Aerocool are an air conditioning contractor. We work out the northwest of England and carry out installations throughout the whole country. We carry out work for shop fitting contractors right the way through to large mechanical contractors. We do the design, installation, the after sales. We carry out all aspects of air conditioning for them. We needed to change the facilities because before it was like a rabbit warren. I remember David coming in and I said to him, "What's your impression of Aerocool?" And he said it was a rabbit warren. I thought we need to do something and we need to do something quickly. I thought he was absolutely bang on when he said it, and that's what created the thought for us to start revamping all the offices and everything. Everywhere really needed updating. It was really tired and old, and we really wanted to, move on and show everybody within the business what we're all about. And I think it put a marker down for us to actually tell everybody in the business this is where we're going, this is where it needs to be. And we felt that we needed to create the right environment for our staff to grow with us. We wanted to create an open plan space downstairs so our service and maintenance departments could collaborate. One was upstairs, one was downstairs, and they weren't working collaboratively, and we needed them to work much closer together. They share engineers, so we needed them to be knowing where the engineers were, and really we needed that open plan space. We needed them both in the same department. We needed to have our finance director right next to us because before she was downstairs, we were upstairs. She needed to be working far closer to myself and Ian than what she was previously, so Nexus provided that with the designs of the new premises. The most important remit that was sent to Nexus was to create the director's suite to allow us to put all our fabulous Everton photographs on the wall that we've collected over the years. The primary reason why we needed the meeting room is because our engineering base has got really large over the last 4 or 5 years, and we needed to have in-depth meetings with the contracts managers and things like that to get over the new rules and regulations, and really to have a meeting culture. And with the old premises we weren't really that keen on asking clients to come and have a look at us and things like that because it wasn't really what we wanted them to see. But now obviously we're very proud of what we've got, so yeah, there'll be a lot of invites going out to a lot of companies. Before we had an enclosed kitchen, so we decided to go with an open plan kitchen so people could get away from their workspaces and have a coffee together and have a little informal chat and get themselves away from the computers. I think that's really worked well. My favourite bit of the project, I have to say, is the stairs. Matt insisted that we go down that route, and I have to say it's my favourite bit of the project, so well done Matt, thanks for that one. I think as a whole now, the premises that we've got are going to be good for the next 15 years for Aerocool. We don't really need anything else. Everything's high tech, everything's spot on, the furniture package is great, and everyone really feels comfortable in the new environment. We've worked with Nexus for 4 or 5 years prior to getting involved with the refurbishment works, so we always had a close relationship with the directors, which was really good. And then obviously once we became a client, there was no one else that we wanted to choose because we've seen the standard of work from what you've done for other clients, and so you were the first point of call for ourselves. I would certainly recommend Nexus to anybody else who'd like to use them. From initial response from Matt, who's coming around and doing all the designs, his attention to detail was fantastic, through to meeting Andrew on site and doing all the furniture selections. It was all spot on. We're now very, very proud of the facilities that we've got, so we can hopefully up the game, up the bar, and make us a much more professional company. So all in all, it's been a pleasure working with Nexus, and I really recommend them for any future projects that you may have. The attention to detail, the quality of work has been superb, and certainly we're one very happy customer.